Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we are solving every question of exercise 13.2 from Chapter 13, Probability, in the NCERT Mathematics textbook for Class 12, Part 2. Exercise 13.2 has 18 questions on the multiplication rule and independent events, card draws, orange inspections, dice and coins, newspaper readers, and 2 multiple choice. Here is the list. Question 1 of exercise 13.2. Independence in its simplest use. For independent events, the intersection is the product. 3/5 times 1/5 is 3/25. Question 2. Drawing twice without replacement. Multiply the first draw by the conditional second draw. The first black card has probability 26/52. Given that, the second is 25/51. The product is 25/102. Question 3. 3 good draws in a row approve the box. Chain the 3 conditional probabilities. Good on all 3 draws. 12/15, then 11/14, then 10/13, multiplying to 44/91. Question 4. A coin and a die together, 12 outcomes. Compare the intersection with the product. P of A is a half, P of B is a sixth, and the single outcome head-in 3 has probability 1/12, exactly the product, independent. Question 5. Color versus parity on one die. Again, intersection against product. A is 2, 4, 6, and B is 1, 2, 3, each with probability a half. But their overlap is only the number 2, probability 1/6, while the product is a quarter, not independent. Question 6. All 3 numbers handed to us. One multiplication settles it. The product is 9/50, but the intersection is 1/5, 10/50. Not equal, so not independent. Question 7. One unknown, 2 scenarios. The union formula changes shape in each case. Part 1. Mutually exclusive means the union is the plane sum. 3/5 equals a half plus P, so P is 1/10. Part 2. Independent means subtract the product. 3/5 equals a half plus P minus P over 2, so P over 2 is 1/10 and P is 1/5. Question 8. 4 quick consequences of independence. Conditionals collapse to plain probabilities. The intersection is 0.3 times 0.4, 0.12, and the union is 0.3 plus 0.4 minus 0.12, 0.58. By independence, the conditionals are just the unconditioned values. P of a given B is 0.3, and P of B given A is 0.4. Question 9. The complement of the union in disguise. De Morgan turns not and not B into not the union. The union is a quarter plus a half minus an eighth, 5/8. Its complement is 3/8. Question 10. The given complement hides the intersection. De Morgan again, then compare with the product. Not A or not B is the complement of A intersect B. So the intersection has probability 1 minus a quarter, 3/4. But the product of P of A and P of B is 7/24, not 3/4, not independent. Question 11. 4 combinations of 2 independent events. Products in complements throughout. A and B is 0.18. A and not B is 0.3 times 0.4. 0.12. A or B is 0.3 plus 0.6 minus 0.18, 0.72, and neither is its complement, 0.28. Question 12. At least once, go through the complement. No odd at all is the easy event. Each toss avoids odd with probability a half, so 3 tosses avoid it with probability 1/8. At least one odd is the complement, 7/8. Question 13. With replacement, the draws are independent. Red is 4/9, black 5/9 each draw. Part 1, both red. 4/9 squared, 16/81. Part 2, black then red. 5/9 times 4/9, 20/81. Part 3, one of each in either order doubles part 2, 40/81. Question 14. 2 independent solvers on one problem. Solved means not both fail. Part 1. Both fail with probability a half times 2/3, 1/3, so the problem is solved with probability 2/3. Part 2, exactly 1. A alone is a half times 2/3, B alone is a half times a third. The sum is a half. Question 15. 3 card pairs to test. Parts 1 and 2 multiply cleanly. Part 3 does not. Part 1, spade is a quarter, ace is 1/13, and the ace of spades is 1/52, their product. Independent. Part 2, black is a half, king is 1/13, and a black king is 2/52, 1/26, again the product. Independent. Part 3, each event has probability 2/13, but their overlap, a queen, is 1/13, not 4/169. Not independent. Question 16. Newspapers as events, H at 0.6, E at 0.4, both at 0.2. Part O is a complement, B and C are conditionals. Part A. The union is 0.6 plus 0.4 minus 0.2, 0.8, so neither has probability 0.2, 1/5. Part B, English given Hindi, 0.2/0.6, 1/3. Part C, Hindi given English, 0.2/0.4, 1/2. Question 17, multiple choice. The only even prime is 2. Both dice must show it. Each die shows 2 with probability 1/6, and the dice are independent, 1/36. Option D. Question 18, the last of exercise 13.2, multiple choice. A characterization of independence. Complements of independent events are independent. A and B are independent exactly when their complements multiply. P of a complement B complement equals 1 minus P of A times 1 minus P of B. Option B. That completes exercise 13.2. In the next video, we solve exercise 13.3 on Bayes' theorem. Thank you for watching. If this helped, do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your classmates.